There's the bus. Last time, probably being out here this early in the morning and waiting for the bus. There it goes. All right. This time next Wednesday, I will be asleep. I'll be sleeping, snoring, maybe slobbering on the pillow. That's nasty. You ever wake up and there's like a wet spot on your pillow and you're like, ugh. That's always fun. Yep. I'm taking the scenic route back home. Haven't walked back here in a bit. There's the garbage. There's the water fountain. The water fountain. Some birds. It's like crows. More garbage. There's a table. Water. More garbage. More garbage. Welcome to something. Can't read. Can't see too well. I can read, but can't see too well because I don't have my contact lenses in. Alright, I'll be back later to take out the trash. Well, it hasn't done this in a while that I caught on camera at least. It's raining. Rain. I don't want you to go away. It hasn't rained in a while, so rain, you can stay, come back another day and all that stuff. So, a little rain shower. There's some clear skies over there, but rain right here. So I figured I'd come out here and catch some rain footage. Don't think I've had much rain footage, if any, so far in these videos, so enjoy the rain footage. Here we go. It's not trash time. It's really bright time. Sheesh. It's Wednesday night running time. There's my shadow. Here's my hand. And I'm gonna go for a run now. Okay? Okay. Thumbs up.